Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Wi-Fi password. Before I can proceed, kindly support me by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. So to begin with, you will need to go and log into your router. You can log into your router by simply logging in with the IP address of your router. As you can see by default, this is the IP address of my router, and therefore it should be the same. It usually follows this format: 192.168.1, then 1 for the routers. So once you are logged in, typically you should be able to get your Wi-Fi settings and all the wireless connection on the network option of your router. Now this may differ from one router to another depending on yours. Just look for the settings and look for the network option. Once you are here, go to security. Once you click on security, look for WP passphrase on your router and the characters written here. This is your Wi-Fi password. So for you to be able to change the Wi-Fi password, simply edit this to characters that you wish to change your Wi-Fi to. So just change, and once you have finished, simply click on submit. And from there, all the devices that were logged into your Wi-Fi will be logged out, and they will need to enter the new password that you have just set for them to be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. By following these simple steps, you should be able to change effectively the password of your Wi-Fi.